Hey, welcome back to SweeTings. Today I am going to be unboxing my edible printer that I got from Icing Inks. If you would like to see what is inside this box, stay tuned for this video. I am too excited to open up my edible printer. Time to get some behind the scenes for my TikTok page and my Instagram page. Please follow me on TikTok and Instagram if you are not following me as of yet at SweeTings by TCL. Here we're just taking out everything from the box, the supplies and everything that comes with the edible printer when you order it as a bundle. When you order from Icing Inks, when you're ordering, it doesn't tell you the exact printer that you will receive. There is a range that they give you of the types of printers that you will receive. So here, as you can see, I got the Pixma TS702. They have many different bundles that you can choose from, and the different bundles come with different products, as you can see. I ordered the one with the edible markers, the cleaning system, and then the ones that come with the wafer papers, the frosting sheets, and things like that. The bundle came up to a total of $391.50, which was a great deal to me. When setting up the printer, it does make you do a testing sheet with a regular piece of paper to make sure that the ink is printing properly. So you do have to take off all of the plastic from all of the ink, make sure you read the directions correctly, and put the ink in the correct area. So each cartridge has its own color spot so that the colors don't mix or bleed into each other. Now, when we say we have an edible printer, it does not necessarily mean that the printer itself is an edible printer. But when you buy a printer and you use it for a specific purpose, such as food, that is the only thing you need to be using it for. The thing that makes it edible is the edible ink and the frosting sheets that come with it, or the ones that you purchase, and that is what makes the edible printer a edible printer. You never want to use one printer for both regular use and food use, because that is cross-contamination and you can get someone sick when you are mixing the food inks with the regular inks as well. So when you have a designated printer for edible, only use it for edible purposes, okay? And you can typically buy any printer that has the edible ink for it. So a lot of Canon printers are able to fit the edible inks, and a few other brands as well. This is the testing sheet that they tell you to print out before use. It just checks the alignment of the ink and other necessary things before you're ready to use the printer. The kit that was purchased does come with edible markers. It comes with yellow, red, black, green, and purple. It also comes with the cleaning fluid flush system, and that is to clean the part heads so it doesn't get backed up with ink. Now I am opening the frosting sheets that it comes with. These are edible frosting sheets. You definitely want to keep them closed when you're not using them, because they do dry out. They can get hard and cracked if they are dried out. So definitely make sure to zip it back up when you are done. But they smell so good, guys. It smells so delicious. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as you are watching this video, and watch the whole video, because I will be showing you how to print an edible image off of this printer and how the edible images look. The next item that the package comes with are these edible fabric sheets. They come in the silver, gold, bronze, and rose color, and they're called, I think, Flex Frost. But they are so cute, guys. I haven't figured out what I'm going to use them for as of yet, but they will definitely get used. This package also comes with a 50 count of wafer sheets, which is a different texture from the frosting sheet. Just to recap, this package came with the wafer papers, it came with the fabric sheets, It also comes with the frosting sheets, and then it comes with the edible markers, the flush cleaning system, and the printer. Now it is time to print an edible image. I did download the app on my phone, so I'm sending a picture from my phone to the printer to be printed. I went on Google and found the first picture on Google, and you do want to be aware of where you are getting your pictures from because, like I said, all I did was type in Google and I did pick this picture, and as you can see, it did print out kind of dark. It's not because of the ink and it's not because of the printer, it is because of the image that I chose. Here is a second picture that I printed. It was a different picture on Google, and as you can see the color difference. So you definitely want to be mindful of where you get your pictures from. Here I have a wafer paper, so I did want to see the difference in the printing style. So I did print another picture off on the wafer paper to see how it looks. Here is an old practice cake that I used the edible image on. I did end up getting water on the edible image, so there are water spots on it, but this was just for me and my family, and it was a practice cake for me because I was a beginner decorator. I am no longer a beginner, but I am still in the beginning stages. I definitely have learned a lot from then, and stay tuned for my journey on my YouTube channel of seeing me grow with decorating and treat making. Until the next video, sweet tings.